Today we will study about arithmetic mean. But before that, we must understand what are some statistical series, because ultimately we have to work on these statistical series. So there are three types of statistical series. First is individual series. Second one is discrete series, or you can say it as a discrete frequency series. Third one is continuous series. Now first we will see individual series, how it looks like. Individual series can be written as say, for example, first of all it is written here serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here are some values of x. X can be any variable, say for example marks. Marks can be 10 out of 20. You can consider it as marks are 10, then 12. It can be 8 or 15, 20. If any student has got 20 out of 20 marks, then it is 20, or 18 or 9. So these are some values of marks, and it is represented in individual series. It is not always necessary that the serial number is given here. In this series, somewhere you can find it as simply some values of x will be written like 10, 12, 8, 15, 20, 18, 9. Just here serial number, this serial number which are written here will only help you to count the numbers, because when you get the value 7, it means you don't have now need to count the values that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, ultimately, because you are seeing here that the last number is 7, so you can understand it like, yes, there are 7 values, there are 7 values of x. But here in this case, where there is no serial number, there if the need arises, you have to count that how many values are written here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So means it is not always necessary to write serial number, but yeah, definitely when it is written, it will help you to count it, because ultimately when you will see the value is 7, you can directly understand that there are 7 values, and then you don't need to count one by one. The next is discrete series. In discrete series, some frequencies are given here. X, some values of x can be given like 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Maybe for example, understand it like if the x is weight. Okay, so the x variable which is taken here is weight, and this weight is in kg. Okay, so this weight is in kg, and some frequencies are given corresponding to these values, and frequency we denote frequency with small f, so in smaller case. So 20, the frequency may be like this, 5, then 10, 2, 3 and 4. What does this frequency means? This frequency means that there are 5 people. Frequency means number of repetition. This means 20 kg of weight is repeated 5 times. It means 5 people are there who have 20 kg of weight. Then next is 10 people are there who have weight of 30 kg. 2 people are there who have 40 kg. 3 people are there who have 50 kg of weight. And 4 people are there who have 55 kg of weight. So this is the discrete series. In discrete series, one more thing you will find that here is the jump between values. Means after 20, directly the weight comes as 30. There is no such weight like 21 kg or 22 kg or 21.5 kg, nothing like that. There is simply the value is 20 kg, and after that you get it like 30, then 40 kg, then 50 kg, and then 55 kg. So one thing you will find in individual series as well as in discrete series, that there is jump between different values. So after 20 it is 30, 40, 50 and 55. Now we will see continuous series. In continuous series you will find that there is no sudden jump. There is some range between different values. So take it as if the x variable is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, then it's 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and corresponding frequency is can be any value. Take it as 5, 6, 8, 12 and 20. So this is the continuous series. So here you can see that there is a range of number 50 to 60 means, what does it mean? It means that the values here are 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, this is 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59, and not 60, because this is in continuous series there are two types of series. One is exclusive series and another one is inclusive series. So here in continuous series there are two types of series. One is exclusive and another one is inclusive. So this one which I have written here is the exclusive series. Why? Because in this the lower limit is 50 and upper limit is 59. Here it is written as 60, but this 60 is excluded from this series. That is why this series is known as exclusive series. So this series is exclusive series. One thing is this, if this series, it can be like this also, x, and corresponding to that there can be the value of f, and it can be like this, 10 to 19, then 22, 29, 32, 39 and 42, 49, 52, 59, and corresponding to that there can be f like 5, 6, 8, 12, 20. So these are some frequencies corresponding to these values. Here you will notice that here the values are 50 to 59. Definitely this will also have this 50 to these values will be start from the 50 and end at 59. Here one thing is this series which I have written here, this whole thing is inclusive series. Why it is known as inclusive series? This is known as inclusive series because all the values which are written here 50 to 59, all the numbers are written here from 50 to 59. All the values are written here. But so it means there is a lower limit and upper limit. Both the values in this range, in this class interval, will be written from 50 to 59. So there is no exclusion of any value. But in case of this series, which is exclusive series, in this you can see that some values which values means upper limit will be excluded. For example, if you take it as like if you consider this class interval 40 to 50, then what are the values which will be included here? The values which will be included here will be 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49. You will not write here 50. 50 will not be written here. Why? Because this 50 is excluded from this class interval, therefore it is known as exclusive series, and this 50 will be included in the next class interval, that is here. So this is the difference between exclusive series and inclusive series.